All right, so for the next set of problems, it says at the end of the summer, I decide to drain the 1,500 gallon swimming pool. I notice that it drains faster when there is more water in the pool. That was interesting to me, so I decided to measure the rate at which it drains. I found that 3% was draining out of the pool every minute. Use a table, a graph, and an equation to create a mathematical model of the gallons of water in the pool at t minutes. Okay, so we have at t minutes, and we have gallons. Okay, so in the very beginning, at 0 minutes, the whole pool is filled, 1,500 gallons. And after 1, 2, and 3 minutes. So we know we're starting with 1,500 as our start value. And because 3% is draining out of the pool, what we actually want to know is how much is left in the pool. So if 3% is gone, what is left is 97%. So we're starting with 100%. It's decreasing by 3%, which means we're going to be left with 97%. And as a decimal, we write that as 0.97. So anytime we deal with percents, it's going to be geometric. We're multiplying. So we're multiplying by 0.97. So if you get your calculator out and you do 1,500 times 0.97, you get 1,455. So that's 1,455, and then times 0.97 again. 1,411.35 gallons. And then 1,369.01 gallons. Okay, so I chose to round to the hundredths position. Now, you can use common sense to help you. When you know the pool is draining, you should realize that the pool should have less water in it after each minute, not more water. So if your numbers are increasing as you go down, that should be a pretty good sign that you made a mistake. So now we can write a recursive equation, which would be f of 0. At the beginning, you had 1,500 gallons. Then the current term you're looking for equals the previous term, and you're multiplying by 0.97. So we have our action, which is multiplication, meaning geometric, and your start value. Then f of n, the output, equals your start value. This is for your explicit equation, and you're multiplying by 0.97. Repeated multiplication we write as an exponent. So the reason we have just n is because we started with term 0.